You being good? It's randomly losing focus. I'm thinking once I transfer the money later on PayPal, we'll look into sometime soon. Possibly before games start, just because it's like, this camera's seen some stuff. Like me! Morning. Just saw some mail for me from Infomedics, and I'm like, yay! That probably means I gotta go pay my physical therapy. Then my brain went, well, not necessarily. I sure hope that Infomedics is a company that has to do with paying my physical therapy. Considering someone else in our building got the same mail from Infomedics. So, either I have something in common with someone else in our building that I don't know, or it's physical therapy. Yeah. The wind has been fun.
Totally.
Well, it's been fun. So, I'm probably triggering like everybody in the Pacific Northwest because, well, I showed you the video of K2, like, you know what? A windstorm in Salmon Creek brought down power lines, and just shows like this dark thing, and all of a sudden there's this long line of explosion. Yeah. They had a really bad windstorm, I think last weekend, and it knocked out power for most of the Portland metro area.
Oh.
Well, that's kind of... Okay, what your aunt had was something different because hers was around Christmas and stuff. But no, they've been having power blips because of windstorms and stuff. It's been pretty significant. Knocking over power poles and whatnot. Here's the thing that I get about Portland. It's not like windstorms and ice storms are new or even uncommon.
Yeah.
And yet they don't really protect against them. And it's not... And that's internal Portland and, you know, the Pacific Northwest infrastructure. Like, they can fix the problem themselves.
Yeah.
But it just seems like, you know, practical infrastructure. I haven't been many other places in Europe, but I think we might live in one of the capitals of that. Practical infrastructure.
Oh, yeah.
Like, there are overhanging wires for electric trains, and the wind has gotten significant here.
Yeah.
Like now.
Like...
If this... Oh, yeah. That may just be laying there, though. Oh, fair. I momentarily thought one of the trains was going to be going overhead, and then I looked up and I'm like, no, oh. Well, my bad. I thought, no, that's just the wind howling through a tree. Oh, there's a train.
It was both.
It was both. AFBN is putting out their MVPs. So each team obviously has theirs. And so we've got the entire league is putting out their MVPs, and their Erste Nominate, or whatever the word was, is Maurice.
Nice.
Technically, the QB of the Tulip Bowl winning team should probably be an MVP. I mean, it shouldn't be a given, especially if the whole season was a defense battle, but, you know, I'm not sure how many they have as nominees, though. And I guess that's a good motto for, or the difference between whether you want to play offense or defense. It's kind of in the mentality, obviously. The thing is, do you want the glory yourself? Like, do you want to get the catches? Do you want the long passes? Do you want that run up the middle that goes 90 yards? Or do you want to stop somebody from getting glory? You know me, I don't really like to go out and boast my glory, but if I can smack someone down from not getting glory, oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. You know, and that's the idea of, like, I think that's the attacking idea. You're not trying to succeed in the face of odds. You're trying to be the odds. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, because, yeah. Oh, that should say something. I'm not gonna bring it up. Again, American and stuff, but I want to talk to Aaron about this one.
Bye.
Laundry soap. I forgot laundry soap yesterday. You're trying to make a sandwich and you're like, should I use bread or tortillas? When the construction guys put up that tarp around the entire apartment on the other building, you're just like, I don't have speakers loud enough to drown this out tomorrow. Okay, I'm sitting at Aaron's computer because the sun is coming in and out of the clouds. So I'm gonna do I put them on my tacos last night. So it's sambal oleg and sambal bajak. I look at that and my Dutch wants to say bajak. And it may say that, but I'm not necessarily sure. I'm trying to learn one language right now. So I'm gonna do a little taste test because my taco meat is so flavorful. I didn't actually get any of this. It's not like Frank's Red Hot, which is horribly vinegary and kind of hits everything. So, says one of my teammates, who's one of our linebackers, says that bajak is the best. It's the less spicy onion chili paste. Okay. That's definitely got some zing to it. That's probably something for Aaron. Because it's not horribly spicy. You know? Well, let's try Maddie. She says she loves sambal oleg. I think... Now, I'm colorblind. So trying to find reds amongst reds, it's kind of hard. They are different colors, I can see that, but matching it's... That's the one I like the most of these two. As I saw somewhere on a picture of Den Haag, there's a whole festival for... Or at least there's a whole shop with probably 18 billion different varieties of sambal. But out of these two, I like sambal oleg. Also, I use the tortillas. All right. Took a lot longer at the gym than I thought, but then again, I was technically combining 2 days, but not doing everything. Willie said to not do everything, change up what I'm doing. So, thinking for legs, 1 week I'll do leg press, and once the shoulder gets better, squats, but then the next time I'll do deadlifts, because they're kind of the same thing, and it's a little redundant, but if I do them alternating weeks, so I kind of combined my chest and back day today, as well as my physical therapy. And then tomorrow I'm swimming, so I'm working this new get going, make sure I'm doing something physical close to every day. Alright, we're recording from my computer this time because my camera decided to tip over. Oh, it's because it's half on the power button. Well, there's a thing on the top of my computer, and so the screen pops out, so it leaned a little bit. I went by Dirk because I needed to get the laundry. So there's a wash running right now. So I picked up a smoothie that's not like the Albert Heijn smoothies. This is asking for something. Aardbei, Banan, Traufen, Sinaasappel. Strawberry, banana, grape, and orange. Let's see what this... Come on. I ain't that weak. Oh, there's the grape. And there's the banana. Okay. I don't get the other two, but they're there for vitamins. It's 35% strawberry puree, 25% banana, 20% Draufensap, grape juice,
20% sinasaplasap. So orange juice. So it's strawberry and banana puree, and then grape and orange juice. Keep cool to support specialist in StarCraft. XP contributions. Let's click a StarCraft. Who's best at XP contributions? Who's also a specialist.
Ready to roll out!
Sergeant Hammer. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.